Hi guys, welcome back. Here is the new video for our app Aquarius Horoscope. This update was released yesterday. We have made a lot of UI changes. We have changed the setting tab. We have added new features. I'll go through each and every feature one by one. On the top left corner there is a button which will open all the features. The first feature is daily horoscope. When you open it, by default today's horoscope will open. You can swipe left and right for tomorrow, yesterday, weekly horoscope, monthly, yearly horoscope, etc. And there is a option to change font here itself. There is another option in settings wherein you can change the font, but here also you can change the font. You can reduce and increase the font. On top right corner there is a share button. You can share your horoscope with your friends on WhatsApp, or you can post it on Facebook using this button. Here it is. Just go back, go to the main menu. The second feature is love horoscope. The daily horoscope is your horoscope for every day, and the love horoscope is specially your love horoscope for every day. Same way we have this option to swipe left and right for weekly, monthly and yearly horoscope. We have weekly, monthly and yearly separate horoscopes for couples and singles, as you can see. Here also you can use the share option to share the horoscope. The third feature is zodiac reading. This is the zodiac profile for your sign, Aquarius profile. This will tell you the characteristics of the person with Aquarius sign, like the characteristics, hobbies, how the person is, features, etc. Go through it. It's a nice reading, and it will tell you how the person has different qualities. Fourth option is sign compatibility. Here you can compare your sign with your partner's sign and see how compatible you are with your partner in terms of love and relationships. Just go through the reading. Let's say your partner's sign is Taurus. Just choose the sign, compare. It will calculate and give the compatibility report. Read it. It will help you a lot to solve issues in relationships, or see what's going wrong, where you have to improve to make the relationship better. This also you can share with your partner directly on WhatsApp. Go to the main menu. The last feature is child astrology. This is a special child astrology zodiac profile for children. Here you can change the font, increase or reduce it. This will give you the characteristic of a Aquarius child, what can be his hobbies or her hobbies, what she or he can be good at in future. Depending on that, you can decide what you want to do with him in his career, etc. The settings, as I told you, is changed now. Click on settings. Here you have a lot of customization options. First thing is you can change the font. This is a default font for the app. You can change it like this or this, and the entire font will change. For this theme will change for the app. Again, if you want to change the font, we have also options like 8 fonts we have included in this new update. Click on the font. You can also change the font color if you want. Select the color, click OK. App header color, on top there is setting, and behind that the header bar is there. That color you can also change like this or this. Here also you have font size option. You can reduce or increase the size depending on your liking, or if you don't like it at all, just reset to default and it will reset to theme, font, font color, everything will change to default. Next is show app notifications. We have set a notification at 8 a.m. every morning which will remind you to check your horoscope. I suggest you keep it enabled so that when you get up in the morning you can see your horoscope and you can plan your day accordingly. That's it. Share app is, I have already told you how to share the horoscope. We have more apps like this. This is the Aquarius Horoscope app, and in more apps we have other apps for other signs. Just go through it. You can also refer your friends, tell them that to use the particular app for their specific sign. That's it guys. There is a rate me button, a rate me, which will take you to the Play Store URL wherein you can give us good comments or suggestions, feedback, and tell us what new features you want to be added in the app, and we'll try to add it in the next update. That's it. Thank you for watching.